Hey there guys! Are you a middle-aged man or someone who loves to stay active? Then you already know just how crucial testosterone is for your overall health and wellness. And that's why so many people are taking steps to boost their testosterone levels, whether it's through supplements like testosterone boosters or even medication. But it's important to remember that testosterone production in the body is influenced by more than just genetics. Your daily habits and diet play a big role too. Then, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going on a journey to discover the 5 power foods that will boost your testosterone to the max. The first food we'll talk about is onions. It's said that onions can boost testosterone levels according to various sources. In an experiment conducted on rats, a group that drank onion juice for 20 days showed a 210% increase in testosterone compared to the placebo group. Keep in mind that this was an animal experiment, so it's best to take these results as reference only. In a human study, consuming onion extract for 4 weeks also showed an increase in testosterone, although not as dramatically as the previous experiment. The second one is oily fish. It is said that consuming vitamin D helps increase male hormone levels. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna contain important vitamins D, zinc, and omega-3 for male hormones. Eating these foods can help maintain the stability of hormones such as body temperature, blood sugar, and immunity. According to a study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, men who consumed a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids from fatty fish had an increase in testosterone levels compared to men who consumed a diet low in omega-3. The third one is eggs. Eggs are a food that can help increase testosterone levels because they contain rich nutrients that are necessary for male hormones. Do any of you eat only egg whites? That's not a good idea. The yolks of eggs contain all the nutrients. Among them, selenium is a strong antioxidant that protects against oxidative stress, just like magnesium, and helps increase testosterone levels. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, men who consumed a high-protein diet, including eggs, had higher testosterone levels compared to men who consumed a low-protein diet. The fourth one is oyster. Oysters are a type of food that is extremely rich in nutrients, so much so that they are often referred to as the milk of the sea. Oysters contain important nutrients, including calcium and iron, that increase male hormones. Among these nutrients, zinc is undoubtedly the most outstanding. In 85 g of oysters, there is 32 milligrams of zinc. With just 6 oysters, you can consume 76% of the recommended daily amount of zinc, which is higher than any other food. Zinc is an essential mineral that plays an important role in sperm production and reproductive function, and a lack of it can lead to erectile dysfunction. It has been widely reported in various medical journals that supplementing with zinc can actually increase testosterone levels. The fifth one is ginger. Did you know that ginger can help with male hormone levels? Many studies have shown that ginger can increase testosterone levels, including animal studies, and there are also papers that prove this. In one study, infertile men who took ginger supplements saw an average increase of 18% in testosterone levels after only 3 months. Therefore, consuming ginger in the form of meals with ginger, ginger tea, or nutritional supplements can be a good choice, as ginger can help with hormone levels, including testosterone. So far, we have looked at 5 foods that can increase testosterone levels in men. If you incorporate today's foods into your diet according to your own circumstances, I believe it will surely be of great help. All men, be sure to eat these foods starting today, and let's hope for bountiful testosterone together. If you liked the content of today's video, please subscribe and turn on the like notification.